Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So I welcome you again to your English class, and today we'll discuss about formation of adjectives. Okay? This is part 9 of the chapter adjectives, and if you have not seen the previous parts, you can check the link in the description box. So let's get started. We all know that adjectives are the words that are used to describe nouns or pronouns, right? But how these adjectives are formed? It is very important to know the formation of adjectives, alright? Actually, the adjectives can be formed from the nouns, the verbs, and other adjectives by adding prefixes and suffixes. For example, look at this word, child. It's a noun, right? And the adjective of the noun child is childish. Okay? Let's take one more example, gold. This is also a noun, right? And the adjective of the noun gold is golden. Now look at this word, talk. Is it a noun? No, it's a verb, right? And the adjective of this verb is talkative. Okay? In the same way, look at this word use. This is also a verb, right? And the adjective of the verb use is useful or useless. Okay? Now look at this word regular. Which part of speech it is? Yes, it's an adjective. And we can form adjectives from other adjectives. And the adjective of the word regular will be irregular. Now look at this word honest. This is also an adjective, right? And another adjective can be formed from this adjective, that is dishonest. Now if you notice carefully, we have added some letters before or after the word to make an adjective. Like in the first word child, which is a noun, we have added the letters ISH. Okay? In the same way, we have added the letters EN to the word gold to make an adjective, right? Here also in the word talk, we have added 5 letters which are ATIVE to form an adjective, right? In the same way, we have added the letters FUL to the word used to make an adjective. Okay. In the same way, we have added the letters IR to the word regular to form an adjective. And we have added the letters DIS to the word honest to form an adjective. Okay. Now, if you notice more carefully, we have added these extra letters before or after the main word. For example, here in this word child, we have added the letters ISH after the main word child to form an adjective. Okay. Whereas if you look at this word honest, here we have added the letters DIS before the main word honest. Right? Now what are they called? Actually they are called prefixes or suffixes. Okay? Here in this word childish, we have added the letters ISH after the main word or the root word. Okay? So this is a suffix ISH because it is added after the main word or the root word child. So the letters which are added after the main word or the root word to form an adjective are called suffixes. Whereas here in this word irregular, we have added the letters IR to the adjective regular to form another adjective. Okay, so this is called prefix. So prefixes are the group of letters or letters that we add before the main word or the root word to form an adjective. So now I hope you are clear about suffixes and prefixes. Let's revise once again. A suffix is a letter or group of letters added at the end of a word to make a new word. Okay, whereas a prefix is a letter or group of letters placed at the beginning of a word, right? Now there's one very important point to note here is that a suffix changes a word from one part of speech to another, like a noun to an adjective, whereas a prefix modifies or changes the meaning of that word to which it is added. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Like we have added the group of letters ISH to the noun child to form an adjective. Okay. So here by adding the suffix ISH, we have changed the noun to an adjective. The part of speech has changed, right? Whereas here in this word dishonest, we have added the prefix dis to form an adjective. Okay, but here if you notice carefully, there's no change in part of speech, right? Honest is an adjective and dishonest is also an adjective. Okay, but the meaning has changed. Dishonest is the opposite of the word honest, right? So a prefix modifies or changes the meaning of the word, of the root word or the main word. So these are the basic differences between suffixes and prefixes, and I hope now you will never get confused between these two. So this is all for today, and we'll continue with this chapter, that is adjectives, in our next video, in which we'll discuss about some of the common suffixes and prefixes. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, take care everyone, stay healthy, stay safe, and thank you so much for watching.